Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Alright, this is my first video for 2026. How are you all guys doing? All my subscribers, my loyal subscribers who's been with me from the start to up to now on this journey. Right, so we've got Big Kev's Volcano build. Alright. Big Kev from Doomzday is the first one I've seen that's been releasing builds at the start of this year. I know he's in a day. He's in Australia, so it's like a day in advance for me. But well done to him. So I'm just checking on his Volcano build. You guys should try it out as well. Look into it. All right, because someone did mention the other day. Yeah, and his name was Jesus. All right, his name is Jesus. He said that Big Kev makes the best builds. So please check it out. Please check it out. He's recommended Big Kev. So I've got to do more Big Kev builds on this channel. Volcano, excellent background pictures. I've been to a volcano before, and we've got a drive-in one in St. Lucia. Yeah, been in that one, isn't it? Yeah, I don't look at that. Very eggy, from what I can remember. Please, Big Kev is also, you can see on his, when you see him within the build, he has a PayPal. So for those of you who do use his builds, give him a donation, support. Because, to tell you the truth, the guy's doing this, as many Kodi builders are doing this, it's all for free. And as he was doing it during, well, New Year's Day probably or whatever, there's other things you could be doing, right? You got your family, you got to enjoy your holiday. Here in England, it's freezing cold. But I mean, there's stuff you need to, other people got things to do. You got shopping, go to the sales, clean your car. So he's taking his time out to make builds and stuff like that. So if you guys really want to show your appreciation, and as with anybody else in this community that's put in a sort of a link, a little donation link, whether it's a couple of pounds or tenner or whatever like that is, just show some appreciation if you guys can. All right, if you can, because not everyone's got money. Not we all, but some people are in situations. Anyway, please enjoy. I'm gonna try and make more builds. Not, I didn't mean that. I said I'm gonna try and make more build videos. If there's any particular build that you guys see that is really good that I should take a look at, let us know. I've got a few builders telling me about builds coming out soon. Which I need to take a look at when they do send them to me. But yeah, let us know, because I'm always interested in builds, in add-ons, in tips to do Kodi and stuff like that. And let me know if you guys got any good devices, streaming devices for Christmas. If you treat yourself, let us know. I've still got the same stuff. I've got a phone. I want to get a new phone. I don't know if I should go for an iPhone. I've got so many Android phones, but with my iPhone, and I want to use Kodi on my phone. But let us know what you got. If you've got a new Fire Stick, Cube, Shield, or some other sort of streaming device. Let us know how it's getting on and all that stuff. All right then, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.